He was amazed. He couldn't understand it all. He meant to walk away from her, but in a dream he was told, do not be afraid. He took her for his wife, protected her from hate and harm. He was faithful to the angel's wish, but when he stood by her, when he stood by the sun, when he called his name Jesus, I want you, Joseph, to stand by me. I want you, Mary, to smile on me. I want you, Jesus, to set me free. Messenger of light appeared to her alone. I am the Lord's servant, she cried, and may it be with me as you have said. She sang a song of praise and adoration, shining light and love on the child she would raise, on the life she would live, on the followers to come. I want you, Joseph, stand by me. I want you, Mary, smile on me. I want you, Jesus, set me free. Unto us is born the light of our salvation, in common skin and bone, and the blood in his veins will be the promise of life. Spirit and the Word fulfilled in him and spoken, good news to the poor, bringing sight to the blind, to the prisoners freedom. This is the year of our chosen. Stand by me. I want you, Mary. Smile on me. I want you, Jesus. Set me free.